Today I am going to tell something about history. The first of India male history. First governor of Bengal is Lord Clive from 1758 to 60. Then the last governor of Bengal Warren Hastings 1772 to 74. The first British Governor General of Bengal Lord Warren Hastings from 1774 to 1885. The first British Governor General of India, Lord William Bentinck, 1833 to 1835. The first Viceroy of India, Lord Canning, 1856 to 62. The first Governor General of Free India, Lord Mountbatten, 1947 to 1948. The first and the last Indian to be Governor General of Free India, Chakraborty Rajagopalachari, 1948 to 1950. The first President of Indian Republic, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first Prime Minister of Free India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The first Indian to win Nobel Prize, Rabindranath Tagore. The first President of Indian National Congress, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. The first Muslim President of Indian National Congress, Badruddin Tayyobji. The first Muslim President of India, Dr. Zakir Hussain. The first man who introduced printing press in India, James Key. The first Indian to join the ICS, Satyendranath Tagore. The first man in space, Rakesh Sharma. The first Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing the full term, Morarji Desai. The first Indian Commander-in-Chief of India, Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa. First Lokpal of India, Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. First Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat. The first Chief of Army Staff, General Maharaj Rajendra Singh Ji. The first President of India who died while in office, Dr. Zakir Hussain. The first Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament, Charan Singh. The first Field Marshal of India, SHF Manekshaw. The first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics, Dr. C.V. Raman. The first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award, Dr. Radhakrishnan. The first Indian to cross English Channel, Mihir Sen. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha, Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar. The first President of India, Dr. Radhakrishnan. The first Education Minister, Abul Kalam Azad. The first Home Minister of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The first Chief of Army Staff, K.M. Cariappa. The first Judge of International Court of Justice, Dr. Nagendra Singh. The first person to reach Mount Everest without oxygen, Sherpa Angad Archie. The first Chief Election Commissioner, Sukumar Sen. The first person of Indian origin to receive Nobel Prize in Medicine, Hargobind Khurana. The first person to receive Nobel Prize in Economics, Amartya Sen. The first Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Justice Hiralal J. Kania. The first Indian pilot, J.R.D. Tata, 1929. First in India female, the first lady to become Miss World, Rita Faria. The first women judge in Supreme Court, Mrs. Mira Shahi Fatima Bibi. The first women ambassador, K.B. Muthamma. The first women governor of a state in Free India, Sarojini Naidu. The first women Speaker of a State Assembly, Shano Devi. The first women Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi. The first women Minister in a government, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. The first women to climb Mount Everest, Bachendri Pal. The first women to climb Mount Everest twice, Santosh Yadav. The first women President of Indian National Congress, Annie Besant. The first women pilot in Indian Air Force, Harita Kaur Dayal. The first women graduates, Kadambini Ganguly and Chandramukhi Basu, 1883. The first women airline pilot, Durga Banerjee. First women pilot of Indian Navy, Lieutenant Shivangi Swarup. First women combat pilot, Mohana Singh, Bhavna Kant, Avani Chaturvedi. First women parade adjutant in Army Day, Republic Day, Captain Tania Sergal. The first women Olympic medal winner Karna Maleswari 2000 Sydney. The first women President of United Nations General Assembly Vijayalakshmi Pandit. The first women Chief Minister of an Indian state Sucheta Kripalini. The first women IPS officer Kiran Bedi. The first and last Muslim women ruler of India Rajia Sultan. The first women to receive Ashok Chakra Nirja Banat. The first women to cross English Channel Arati Saha. The first women to receive Nobel Prize Mother Teresa. The first women to receive Bharat Ratna Indira Gandhi. There are so many famous nicknames of eminent persons. The nickname, the father of the nation, Bapu, Mahatma Gandhi, Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Napoleon of India, Samudragupta, Shakespeare of India, Kalidas, Mohamana, Pandit Madan Mohan Malabha, Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, Dinabandhu, C.F. Andrews, Punjab Keshari Lala Lajpat Rai, Nightingale of India Sarojini Naidu, Lady with the Lamp Florence Nightingale, Totai Hind, Parrot of India Amir Khusro, Sri Guruji M.S. Golwalkar. Then superlatives of India, like so many structures, there are so many structures. Highest tower minaret Qutub Minar, highest gateway Buland Darwaza, highest dam Tehuri Dam 260 meters, highest bridge Chenab Bridge, highest airport Leh Airport in Ladakh, highest hydel power station Rongtong Hydel project in Kinaur, highest mountain peak Kanchenjunga, highest road at Khardungla in the Leh Manali sector, highest waterfall Jog waterfall Karnataka, highest residence Antila Bhawan built by Mukesh Ambani, highest museum National Museum Delhi, largest river bridge Farakka Bridge, biggest auditorium Sri Sammukhanand Hall, largest zoo Arignar Anna Zoological Park, largest cave temple Ellora, largest Gurudwara Golden Temple Amritsar, largest mosque Tajul Masjid at Bhopal MP with area 430 square feet and capacity 1.75 lakh people, largest man-made lake Gobind Sagar Bakra, largest dome Gol Gumbaz Karnataka, largest cantilever bridge Howrah Bridge, longest railway tunnel Pir Panjal railway tunnel 11 km, longest road tunnel 9.2 km long tunnel on Jammu Srinagar National